Aristo presents monocef O, the most powerful oral cephalosporin, serving your trust in fighting bacterial infections since 2001. Monocef O 200 mg tablets 2 times a day is the most powerful oral cephalosporin in URTI, ACD, CAP and SSTI. The powerful monocef O encompasses unique and powerful attributes. Monocef O 200 mg tablets, powerfully engineered to deliver the best. Monocef O 200 mg tablets, formulated with micronized cefodoxime peroxytil, achieves faster dissolution, powerful 90% dissolution in 30 minutes. Monocef O 200 mg tablets, formulated with hydrophilic polymers and biopolymers with mucoadhesive properties, enhances absorption and sustains on-site absorption for prolonged time. Monocef O, delivering leadership approach of trust for more than 2 decades, takes the lead ahead, introducing the role of a new era. The all-new monocef O 200 mg tablets exhibits the powerful and unique packaging, the packaging that spells trust by design. The new and powerful anti-counterfeit packaging, alloy blister strip with unique holographic technology. The hologram carries unique symbols. Monocef O 200 mg tablets, anti-counterfeit strip, is difficult to replicate and tough to imitate. The new powerful packaging adds on one more star to the powerful reputation of the brand. The symbol of genuinity, the symbol of reliability. The powerful packaging and unique design enhances our service towards healing hands. Thank you, Doctor, for making our trust more powerful. Powerfully yours, monocef O.